Hey guys, can you see this beautiful and simple web page? We can create in few minutes. Let's go for it. Here, as you know, we are discovering Expression Web 4. We are going to create that web page in this same software. So our web page name will be My Hobbies web page. So do you want to express your hobbies on a web page? Now let's go for it. Let's see what are the points in skill focus. Well, first we will create one folder on the desktop and we're going to save the web page. We're going to save even the CSS document and we're going to add the title of the web page. If you see here, this is called the title of the web page. Okay, and we're going to work with some tags, like this is the heading tag, these all the paragraphs, this is another paragraph, and these are the list items. And here you see the big picture, that is nothing but background. Okay, and more, what is the skill? Text alignment and preview the web page what we have created in the web browser. Okay, now let's go for it. Here is the first. Oh, we have to create the folder, right? Okay, first let's create the folder on the desktop. Come to the desktop, right click and new folder. So type in there your name. Okay, this is the folder we're going to put all our files, whatever coming up and what we are creating. Now next step is to find this picture, very big background picture. Okay, so type in there the background picture. Okay, home. If you want any home environment, go to images there, and here tools, big size pictures, background pictures. We need having more pixels, so we have to go for it. Now here you see you have a picture, or you have a beautiful picture here. It's up to you. If you can choose any or one out of it as well, which comes up very beautifully. Here see, it's a very large picture. Okay, now let me just download this picture or just save image as. The name will come up there, and just go to desktop, open your folder, just let it be sitting there, and just you can see background over there. You can just change the name of it, no problem, like this background, and save. Okay, done. Now let's go for the expression web, and we're going to start the new document, that is HTML document. Here we will save it. For that, right click, save, and you're going to save again in your folder. Go to the desktop, open it, and we will save this file using My Hobbies or just Hobbies, it's up to you. Okay, it's fine. Hobbies, save. Now see, I'm done with this. Hobbies, oh sorry. Okay, so after this I'm gonna just type in the title. Can you see here, Untitled 1? I want to just show the title. See, look at this one, My Hobbies, that's called title. So for that I have to come here, go to the code, and here where you see, look at this title. So where I have to type in there My Hobbies. You can type in your name as well if you want to add more. By even just I can add like this, fine. I can save it and back here. Now you see on the top, done. What's next? Now we're going to create one CSS file now. Okay, so for that just go here, click here, new document, and go to CSS. Here untitled, right click, save, go to the folder, your folder, everything you are going to work in that. Okay, yes, here you see the name came up there. Just I'm going to delete the ST, and it is CSS, right? CSS and save. Now look at this, this is CSS file and this is HTML file. Now open HTML, we're going to add the background to it first. Okay, for that just right click, page properties, and here is the formatting, go to background, browse and go to your folder and pick the background picture. Okay, yeah, this is the picture. It's not that clear, but don't worry, we're gonna make it very clear. Now I'm gonna just make this background look better. For that, I have to put it in the CS file. Here, open this here, CSS file, and now here, and here on the top it is inside the body, so we have to type in there body tag here, body selector, and here come to the background. Here we already attached a background, so we are not going to do anything with that, but here we are going to add more options like do you want to repeat? No, I don't want to, and it should be fixed for me. Even if you want to, you can change it as no, you wish. It's no stop for you for your creativity. Okay, now what about the size of the background picture? Here x-axis and y-axis. Here first, since our screen is width-wise, so I will just make it 1200 for now. Just I would like to see how it's gonna be 800 towards the vertical height. So apply and okay, you see there the stars came there. Save it. Now after this I have to attach the style sheet to my HTML document, right? So for that I have to just go here, attach style sheet, and come here, desktop. Here, go to your folder and pick your file. Okay, so just save it once, save, and just come here and let's see how it's gonna be. Yeah, see, look at that, it's almost better, but I have to increase width wise the pixels, right? Okay, the height wise I can reduce if I want. Okay, now let's see that. See body here, and right click and modify style. Here, come to the background, and here I'll make it 1400, something like that. 1400, and can I make it just 700 over here? Okay, 700 pixels. Okay, and done. And save your work once and just click OK there. That's it, and refresh. Yeah, this is perfect now. Now background is done. I'm going to type in my text on the web page here, starting from here. My hobbies. Okay, so here I'd like to just say hi everyone, I am a student of grade 8. I love to work with expression web 4. Okay, so now if I want to add my text over there, would you like to know my hobbies? Okay, so you can put like this, and I will write my hobbies there. Watching football game, then trekking, cooking, like this, as a wish you can write that. It's enough now. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all the see, these are almost same, so I'm going to just add them, the font here itself, like in this here. Just go to some kind of font or there, bold if you want, color if you want to change something to okay, and if you want to change the font as well, as you wish it is. Okay, so you can just put something like that. Done. Okay, done. Look at that. Now this all are the tags we have to attach to the tags. Okay, the first one here, it is heading 1. Look at that, automatically it gets bigger. Okay, even you can change them if you want a bigger one. We can do it that as well using the CSS. And here is one. These all are the paragraphs for me. Just go there and paragraphs. Okay, see, it goes back. But here what we can do is we will add the font. After adding the tag, we have to actually change the font of it. Okay, and just you can add something there. Look at that. So, but if you want this somewhere, just see, using the tab, you can just push it away. Okay, but where they are coming, I want to see that. Okay, in my web page, come here. Look at that. If you want to just move them aside, even that you can do. Here, select all of it here. Yep, you can do this, and you can work with this to make it better as well. And I'm going to just move them aside. Even using the tab, you can do that. Select all of it and just move them wherever you want. Select save it and just come and refresh it. Can you see that? Yeah. And if want to improve even this heading, that I can't do it, but before okay, let's go for this one, hobbies. Okay, so I'm gonna use from my here, where is it? Yeah, H1. See, I have some styles, I'm gonna use them here. Yep, in CSS. Okay, so here, come here, just click here and come to the new style, and that is now H1, right? Okay, H1, and here is the font and font family. If you want to choose something, it's up to you. Would you like to like whatever? Okay, font size is a bigger one, extra large. Look at that. And the color, if you want to choose some color as well. Okay, and bold, do you want bold? Here is bold. Okay, and okay, see, here is the one styles I got here in the form of list. Now, do you want to see its effect on the web page? Here is the one. Refresh it once. Look at that. My hobbies. It's being changed, right? Now I have to work with only this list right now. Okay, now come to your hobbies here. So now where these three are in the code, we have to go here. These are the ones. Look at that. Here, look at this. These three, the one is selected. So what we will do that, we have to set them as list. For that, you have to change that to UL. Okay, UL is unordered list, and which contains all bullets. Okay, see, this is the one, and we have to put this inside the list. Okay, and we have to do the same for other two as well. LI, and put this inside the list tags, and you can delete this one. The third one here as well, how many you have to change that to list format, and here I'll change this to LI, end of LI, and I have to close this by end of /UL. Done. So these three are my list items. Even if you want, you can add more here as well. Yes, you can increase the list here itself. Okay, so can you see how my web page is looking here? Design. Look at this. Here you got discs. We call them the bullets as discs. If you don't want it, just you can move them using what? The tab. I'll put them in the middle of it. And what about the formatting of it? I can change the formatting of it, and even I can change the bullets of it. Yep. Okay, now let's go to the CSS. Click here and new style. And the style, the tag is called LI Okay, since we are working with the the list. Here, font family. Do you want to change the font of uh, the text of the list? Yes, it's up to you if you want to change something to, or it's the same if you want. And the size of the X large, and the weight, the bold, just bold, okay, not too much. And if you want to change the color of it as well, you can change to something else and apply. Okay, yeah, here we got it. And save, and you can see how is your, look at that. Did it change? Oh, sorry, did it change the font style, bullet style? Here is the one. Here, select list here, and circle squares if you want. List the bullet style and save. Look at that. Save your work one final time. Okay, now you can see that in your web browser. Look at that. This is the look of